Myntri Rangbah Konrad ke Sangma rengkat Myntri ke Soil and Water Conservation Marcus and Marak kila shimenta ga jingalang pat jong kiseng yeng halaki jong ki kejat self help group SHGs ki balawan nakaleng ki district jong Khuborjylla ha kshatri jong Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana ha kini ka jingalang Myntri Rangbah usam sanpau Hajar Tyngka shaman ki SHGs jong ki district Khuborjylla ha ka jingkren jong ha kini ka jingalang ula kentui ki SHGs ban yele do ayap ban penek pensa bat man suma sukheri ki umpo aliu ki wa duit bat ki wa ba ki budan saudong saukun ha ki shnong ki thau jong ki ulai thu ba ki riu start mariang ki layu ilupa ba ka perthai bat ha ki babon kiri kin seyo mat ya ka jingkerdo di umrep ladang ngi sumar bat tingkai ki telong bat ki wa ki budan saudong ki shnong jongi Uloong ba ka Meghalaya kalong Khuborjylla bala kerkhu kerpang ublay bat da ka jingdon balai kerhai ki umpo aliu bat ki wa Haman ki shnong Haban pendon kam husiar bat tingkai bahai ko lem kumta kamariang kan terkhong no uloong. Myntri ke Soil and Water Conservation Marcus and Marak ulai ro bat Khubor ya kajing penno baha jong ke PMKSY kabla plelat iki SHGs ban pentre ya ki kam ki bawan ra jing mentoi ya ki bat iki pai pa shnong atha. Kini ke skim jong sarkar India kala kentiu ya ka yok ka kot ha ki babun ki shnong jong ni Khuborjylla ling ba karep karyang kajing penne iki klau ki betap bat iki tolong ha ki babon ki shnong ki SHGs narilom garo khasi bat jaintia ki lawan ban shimenta kini kajing alang kabla long menta kasngi ha ka juk kapor ki lay mirjing mut iki jing shem jongki la ki dei ki bay kendu jing ne ki jing job hala ki jong ki jing kendu ha ki jing trai jongki ka baman kasngi.
At the very outset, I would like to thank our Government of India and our Honorable Prime Minister for having supported us in this particular program and for having funded to a large extent the implementation of the PMKSY WTS 2.0. Water is one of the important resources for any nation. And in the coming decades, accessibility to proper potable water and water in general is going to be one of the biggest challenges that every state and nation is going to face. We all know that. And all scientific research and studies are indicating towards a major water crisis. Some places already facing them and most places will face in the coming years. Meghalaya, I've repeated this in many forums, receives approximately close to 63 billion cubic meters of water every year in terms of rainfall. And hence we are very lucky, and God has blessed our state, and enough water resources are there for us. But the problem with the overall management of the water is that out of the 63 billion cubic meters, roughly 61.5 plus minus of billion cubic meters is actually flows down either to Assam or flows down either to Bangladesh. And hence we are only able to retain less than 2 billion cubic meters of water every year. And hence the availability is not the issue. It is actually the management of it which is the critical part. People don't want to destroy forests. People don't want to take away the natural resources. People don't want to pollute the rivers and other, our environment. But they are only doing it because of their livelihood. And because they need to obviously survive and maintain their family and feed their family, they start depending on the forest resources and on other natural resources. And hence, if we are to find a long-term solution, a solution which is sustainable in nature, then it can only be done by providing alternative means of livelihood to our people so that they don't depend on the natural resources as much as they do now. And hence, it has to be a two-pronged approach. It has to be the management of the resource. At the same time, it has to be an alternative source of income for the people. And if these two things combine, that is when we will get a successful outcome which will be sustainable in nature, sustainable in the long run. Anything close to about 7,000 crores of money is being spent and has been spent in the last 3 to 4 years and will be spent in the next 2 to 3 years. So you can imagine in a span of about 6-7 years, almost close to 7,000 to 8,000 crores of rupees will be spent for water management and for natural resource management. And this kind of money should be enough to create a full revolution when it comes to water resources. The greatest problem for Jal Jeevan Mission, though we will be achieving 90% by the end of the financial year, will be the source of the water in large number of cases. So while we will have the tanks and the pipes, we will have a huge problem with water source itself. And hence, the Water Resource Department, the Soil Conservation will have to work together with the PHE, along with the Forest Department, to ensure that we are able to take care of all of these things.
District. Ngi kongki SSG member ngidap sisa da kajisu ka bakra ya ka wauran umlain watershed lane ya ka PMKSY scheme ka balala banyarap yang haki babun kilyang. Rangbah ka nega scheme ngilayo ban shimenta ha ka exposure visit ngilayo ru ban lay training but ha ka din nong tang sa ka bahnya bosan Hajar ka weka SSG. But ban penkiu ya ka jingka mai jongi kala ai ru ya ka integrated training ka bangi layo ya ka jinghikai na ki export bakher jong ka ICAR Ribhoi district. Ngi kung ki SSG ngi ai khublai shibune ya ka ne ka scheme ka bala la shisha ban ai mensim ya ngi ki badan hapo ka SSG baro bat kilala aru ban kring ya ki wei pat ki bampadan hapo ka ne ka SSG kat kum ka jing ya kendu jonga bat shong meeting ha ki SSG kum iwei naki kada tangki nehi kendiat khublai shibun khublai shihajan.
Firstly, I would like to highlight the impressive numbers that reflect the reach and magnitude of this program. We are proud to announce that a total of 32 watershed development projects are being implemented and other PMKSY WDC in the state, covering a vast area of 62,730 hectares, as has been presented by our Commissioner Secretary. One of the crucial aspects of the PMKSY is the encouragement and support provided to self-help groups as key contributors to the development process. Currently, 1,188 self-help groups have been established under this scheme, enabling farmers to come together, pool resources, and work collectively towards common goal. These self-help groups have proven to be a catalyst for rural empowerment, promoting socio-economic development and fostering unity among farmers. In recognition of their tremendous efforts, the government has disbursed a staggering amount of 5 crore 91 lakhs as financial assistance to these self-help groups. This funding has played a pivotal role in enabling SHGs to implement various income-generating activities.
Self-help group. Shipara SHG. Sinroplang SHG. SHG.
Representative of these SHG are requested to kindly proceed to this. Team Paso, we have Lomjing Shai SHG, Pomkaneu, Multipurpose Cooperative Society. Soha, Lamjing Shai SHG, Soha Banwan Banyang No, Laway Bankintiu Multipurpose. Next ni Doni Shipara SSG, Langrin SSG, Shipara SSG na Jajau, Langrin SSG na Shinrut. The names kindly be ready. Jajau is St. Mary's SSG. Rose SSG is next. We have also Bosak SSG from South Garo Hills.
Abrikama SHG. Exagre SHG. Next, Mentorilang SHG.